In this video, I will show how to do the second part, nothing but a cap of a plumber block assembly using SolidWorks software. Disclaimer. This PPT has been prepared by referring many sources which include figures, diagrams from internet as well as from the prescribed textbooks and reference books. I do not claim any originality in preparing this video or PPT. This PPT or video is exclusively for purpose of education, not for any financial gains. I wholeheartedly thank all those who have directly or indirectly contributed to do this PPT and video. Now we will do the second part of plumber block assembly. The second part is the cap. We'll see the cap diagram you can see here. So this cap we need to do. So first I will go to file, new, part. Okay, it will take some seconds to open. Yeah, once you open that one, you can get this kind of workbench. There you can go to future first. So in the future now you need to do this one. So first I will do this one in the front view, this profile. So I'll go to front view. So anyway I'm going to extrude it, so I'll directly take an extrude. Then I will select the front plane. Then make it now automatically it's come to normal. Now I will take a rectangle. I will draw a rectangle here of thickness of 10 mm. Then width is here, the one is 43 is the radius, so 43 into 2, 43 start 2, you can get multiplication of the 2. Next I need a one more rectangle here, so we'll go to a rectangle again. So for that one draw an axis line to get the continuity. So I will take an again the center rectangle only, so place somewhere here. Again the width of the one is 43, go to 44, enter, thickness is 12. So you know these two, their two lines are there. Go to trim, you can trim these two lines. So we got a rectangle. So right, edit, exit sketch, then extrude. Go to mid plane, extrude of a thickness of 36. So type 36 over here. You get a 36 type here. They will get a take a direction as mid plane. You got this profile. Once you got this profile, you require a round cut at the bottom and top. You require additional material to add up. So it will take, go to again extrude. I will directly face, make it normal. Now first I will add material over here. I can do this one also or this one. I can cut here first or I can add here. So first I will add. Take a circle, draw a circle at some point, draw an arc. You may ask what is the radius. The radius is 36, so we'll draw a diameter as 36. Sorry, radius is required 36, right? So 36 into 2, and it should be double to the now distance, this one from the top surface, the distance is 6 mm away. Center distance is 6 mm away from the 12 mm size. This one we already constrained this one, so from here I will give distance for this one. Center distance from here to center point, it is smart dimension. From the distance between the edge, bottom edge and the center distance is 6 mm. So you get the circle mode upwards. Now you can draw an axis line from here to bottom point. Then I will use convert entities. Convert entities, and this edge, on the edge I need to draw a sketch. I select that one so that the line above that one we will got a line. So I need to trim the remaining portion. So trim the extra line and the circle, and here extra line. So this only this much we need to extrude. So anyway, we previously itself automatically initially itself I choose the extrude feature, so that immediately after the exit of the sketch you can get the extrude. You can rotate it and you can change the direction, and you can make through all. So whatever the previous workpiece thickness we have, that much it will take automatically, right? If you go through, we got this one. Now I need a cut here. So again I will go the same. I will go to cut extrude. I select the face, make it normal, and need to draw a circle from the distance. The distance, as we know, the 6 mm from the edge. So go to smart dimension. From the edge, the center distance is 6 mm. Then radius of the circle is 19. Then the diameter should be 38. So 19 into 2, 38. Then it's not constraint for that, it required a reference from the datum point. So we'll take an axis line or a center line. Then I join a line from datum point to the center point of the circle. Okay. Now there is no need to cut this one, entire portion I need to cut now. So I'll directly make it cut texture. Exit sketch. So it will cut the material. So we got the material. Now we need to cut the circle over here, holes. So make it normal, this one. So take it extrude cut, make it normal, select this face and make it normal. Now we need to draw a circle. So for that one you need to draw a line first, axis line like that, and after doing that one you take this one and you select the midpoint of datum point and give a constraint as midpoint. So you need to move cursor on this midpoint and the datum point. Can you, or this way? You can give a constraint of this one, midpoint and datum point. Can give constraint as coincident, or one more way is, instead of drawing this line, I will directly go to circle. I will take reference from here. I will draw one circle here, and I will draw one more circle over here. Then I will make it, these two are equal, and I will draw an axis line, vertical line from here to this edge. I take these two and the circle and use word as, I will constrain this one as a symmetric. So it was constrained. So it should be at the midpoint, mid lane. So, and you need to give a dimension between these two, or is 62, right? Anyway, we given the symmetry, so automatically this should be in the midpoint. So for that one, take a line from here and join this one. You can see the inclination. If you have inclination, select this line, make it horizontal, so that we will get in the exact rate of mid of this face. Then I need to give a circle dimension. What is the radius? They given as diameter as 10.5. 10.5. as automatically it will take the length as 36. You can give as a blind, or anyway it won't touch any materials. Let it be the same value, no need to change that one because we need only hole over here. Next I need to make a groove over here, these grooves. So I take again the cut extrude, I select the surface and make it normal. So I need to draw a two circles over again, circle. You can see, take a circle, move the cursor near the circle, it shows the center point, then select the center point and draw a circle. The same way here also. Move the cursor near the it show the center point and draw a circle. Whatever it may be the diameter. Afterwards we'll go to smart dimension, change the dimension. This is the radius we have. That radius the given is here. Radius is 12, then diameter should be 24. You as 24. Now make these two are equal. Select this circle and this circle and make it equal. Now again see, if you cut in the same direction, right, it will cut the material of this one, but we need to cut material of this round shape, so we need to make it change the direction. Change the direction, it will move upwards, whatever it may the height, so you'll get a cut over here. See, this cut can be done like this. Next we require a hole of dia 6 above the surface of this one. So go to hole wizard, make it normal. So I'll choose the drill, straight drill of dia 6 ISO. It should be drill size of dia 6 mm. Scroll down and you choose dia 6. It should be blind. No, length should be only 10 mm. We record only 10 mm. Right? Choose the distance. See, up to the before the chamfer, it is up to the chamfer. The length given here is before the chamfer. So I choose first option and give the value as 10 mm. Then other details are not required. Then you need to create a points where it is. So for that one, it should be in the top view. So select here the top view as workbench. Then you need to select this face. Then you need to position this hole. Normally it won't take the position. You make it position somewhere else. Then use the escape button and make it these two should be coincident. You can drag this one and you can place it exactly center. That's okay. Then you okay. We'll get a hole. Now you can see we got a hole. Now we need to have a 3 mm dia full hole. So for that one you need to give cut extrude only because you can't choose the position, or you can use the same hole wizard option mostly. If you don't want the bottom chamfer, then you can directly use the cut extrude circle hole. So I'll go to again top view. I select this face as a sketching plane and I'll draw a circle of diameter 3 mm. So extrude, exit sketch. Okay, make it cut extrude. So it's going up and upward, downwards. Got the whole cut option. Now we have one more cut. Here we need to make a radius. So for that, select this face again. Go to cut extrude, make it normal. Then draw a circle of radius what you want. Here radius we want is 43. 43 into 2 because we need to to enter the diameter. Exit sketch. While cutting this one, you need to change the direction. See here, there is an option, make it flip side to cut. So now the inside the circle it's cutting the material. I wanted to cut outside the circle. Flip it, then it will cut the material outside the circle. This simple way to get the round shape. Now the part is ready. If you want to give a color, you can go to here, right click, and you can go to the first option, arrow mark, in the appearance, arrow mark, then click it on the part and show the pictures. Go to solid part and select any one color, right? Any color if you want, you can select it, then give OK. The entire workpiece is in that color. Okay, make it save. Keep on save while working. So the part is cap. Thank you. For further details, you can contact me, Sandeep S, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Canada Engineering College, Controller, and my mail ID is sandeepmysore07@gmail.com, and my contact number is 9900 Any clarification or any information, you can contact me with respect to the this video. Thank you once again.